You're gonna get tased! You're gonna get tased! Quinn, you better stop! Through Euclid. Oh, through Euclid. Northbound Euclid. We're going to the Cargill plant. Black male jeans. I'm going right. Get on the ground. You're gonna get tased. Get on the ground. Get down. Get the fuck down. Stay down. All the way down. All the way down. I got him on the ground. Put your hands behind your back. Behind your back. We're at the entrance of the Cargill plant. Off of Euclid. It's a yellow building, brick bottom.
What do you got on you there?
I just knew I had a walk. She's not on.
Hey, can somebody go to my squad? Stand by with them. My windows are down. You hit with one probe. One probe right below you. Alright, stand up. I gotta search you again.
I'm gonna get some weed. So,
Let me know when you're done, Clark. Go ahead.
You got a path you want us to walk?
We had eyes on the first one time. I think
The only thing would be
back
on
there
the
behind
backside
the
of this
building.
building.
What were you reaching for in your fucking hoodie or what? What were
I
you?
was making sure I ain't trip. I was grabbing my phone. I was gonna
Okay.
call my girl because I don't know no numbers.
Did you pitch a gun or anything, man?
I don't carry guns. I smoke weed, bro. My case is about domestic. Once a night they lied to me, bro. I got kids. My kid's birthday is 16. I just don't want to go to jail, bro. But none ain't even fucking do it.
Well, now you have to go to jail higher.
I know.
Spread your feet real quick, Quinn. Turn him.
Do you have your keys with you?
Yeah.
Hey, you get my phone? Call my girl.
Yeah, I've got my squad car keys, so I just need the
Keys, I'll walk back.
when just somebody to stay there in my car. 'Cause you can't roll the windows up without them. All right. Nothing on you we missed. All right. You want to put them in your car? You go with that? Okay. You want to do a search then?
Yeah.
You got one.
I got this side.
You got one probe in the leg. I think it just caught his pants, so it checked out. You all right?
Tired.
Nah, bro, I'm just gonna go to jail, bro.
I'm
Swear
pretty
my
sure they're just
kids,
NTA shit
That means
that you
Get out.
just got out.
Huh?
that means you just get out immediately.
What you mean?
Yeah. Hey.
Yeah.
I'm
I'll
gonna
get my
send you
phone.
back over here.
Yeah, I'll grab all your stuff, man. We're gonna sit in that car though.
Quintin, there's a couple things that we have to do today, okay, because the judge signed a warrant. So you got to go into jail today. However, the difference is going to be made when it comes to the court proceedings after this. So, you know, like
I
if
apologize for running from you guys. I just wanted to get all I've been doing, trying to see my kids. I already knew this time was gonna come. You know what I'm saying?
So-
that's why I already knew this time was gonna come. I just wanted to
Quintin,
get up for my kids, bro. So
how many kids you got?
I got 4, bro, and I
Okay.
got 1 on the way, bro.
So even if, let's just say worst case for you, you get found guilty of something, you'd rather do like 3 months in jail than 3 years, right?
Yeah.
Okay. that's where the difference comes in with this sort of conversation, okay? This is like the one time that we're gonna talk to you and ask you some of these questions. So if you want to help yourself out and try to, you know, make this better for yourself, then now is the time to do that. All right?
It's all right, bro. It's all good. I got God on my side, bro. It's all good, bro.
All right.
The whole reason you have a warrant is from a domestic related incident back in October. Do you know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, she lied, man. Yeah.
Okay. So we only have her side of the story, and that's why a judge signed a warrant for you, okay?
Yeah.
So we'd like to get your side of the story. It was at the Super 8 up in Normal.
It wasn't even at the Super 8, and it was at the what's it called?
Like a Motel 6 or something like that?
No, it was like on it's across on, it's on Veterans. It's Chanteau.
The Chateau?
When we got to the Chanteau, what happened was she came drunk over here. The girl, they started fighting because she came over here drunk, tripping with the girl. My girl Destiny got a police report on her for messing up her van. So all she get drunk and pulled up. She knew I was with some girls. So when she pulled up, I was trying to stop the whole fight because she had her kids in the car. Man, just keep going, just go. Do not stop right here, just keep going. You know what I'm saying? I'm in her window telling her that. She, hell no, you think you finna just leave me because they got kicked out. So she like, you think you just gonna leave me? Hell, I'm like, man, I'm gone. You been doing you get drunk all the time. I'm tired of that shit. I can't be with you. So the girls I'm with like, boy, leave that bitch alone. Woo. They start fighting. Once they started fighting, I break up the fight, went back to the room. Everything was cool. She got mad again. Started trying to fight me again, bro. I had to grab her, because the kids were sleeping in the car.
Is this at the hotel now?
Yeah.
Okay.
The kids were sleeping in the car when she pulled up over here trying to fight. So once I put them in the bed and shit, laid them down, she is, yeah, woo, look at my face, woo. I'm like, man, your ass came over here trying to fight, bro. I told your ass, leave this shit alone, bro. You just gonna leave. I'm like, bro, I broke it up and I got in the car with you, bro. Feel me? I'm here with you. You ain't got the room. Like, what the fuck, bro? What more you want me to do? I don't know, fuck, woo. She got going crazy again, so I had to grab her, hold her down till she calmed down. The kids waking up. They like, stop. I'm like, I'm holding her, man. I ain't trying to fight y'all, mom, bro. She tweaking. So when she calmed down, she like, y'all just calm down. Bam, she went home. Then the next day we got the room at the Super 8. Cause she like, I don't want to go home. Feel me? Like, this shit, like, I just want to stay with you. Woo. I don't want to go to my mama's house. Woo. I'm like, all right, we'll get a room. We got the room the next day. Then she went home. Then her mama don't like me anyway. So she got it to her mama. And then her mama like, who put your hands on you? He did all this. She like, no, he didn't. She called the police. And then when the police asked her, because she came me on the phone like, I'm telling my mama you ain't do this shit. So when the police asked her, she said, I didn't do it. Then the police left. Then a week later, she see that I wasn't coming back to her. She came down to the police station and then put it in. A whole week later. The incident happened 2 weeks ago.
Okay.
So yeah.
All right. Do you know the address over here that the fight happened at?
I want to say Illinois side. I just know the Illinois side.
On the Illinois side?
Yeah.
Do you know who you were staying with, or like who that apartment would be under?
I wasn't staying with nobody. It was just one of her friends was over there. We was just over there kicking and drinking. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Like
and then she showed up with her kids. She was drunk.
Yeah.
She was upset that there were girls over there.
Yeah. That I ain't.
And she started trying to fight the girls.
Yeah.
Was she kind of on the losing end of that? It sounds like.
Yeah. She was
okay.
going through it, bro. Then after all that.
So now did those girls kind of like tune her up or what?
Yeah, like she got on the car. The girls, they was talking their stuff, but she swung on the girls first, bro. Like she fought bro. She didn't fight my whole family. Like I got videos of her, bro. Like the girl crazy, bro. Like over crazy, like man.
Okay.
I just wish that never happened, bro.
All right. Do you know anyone else who saw this? I'm guessing you probably aren't going to tell me who the girls who were fighting her, but is there someone else who saw this who could help kind of like...
She'll tell you. Okay. She will tell you, bro.
Okay. Well, it sounds like she may have left that part out.
She would tell you, bro, what happened.
Did she have any injuries after the fight with the girls?
Like her face was swollen. Her eye was a little black and shit. Like. Okay. But that was... She didn't, like, that's what I'm saying. Like, she didn't come to the police 2 weeks later.
Okay.
It was a video. Basically, she had a video on her phone with her, you know what I'm saying, having sex. You see what I'm saying? So I had a girl, you know what I'm saying, I was with, feel me, and I showed her, you know what I'm saying? Like you ain't the only one, you feel me, can fuck bitches, you know what I'm saying? Like that. That was about. But that was probably then, that's what made me fall back off it. That's what me and her was like really beefing about, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
And that's what she, you know,
So she had a video of herself having sex
with another man.
With someone else, not you?
Yeah, not me.
Okay. Did that video get sent to anybody?
No.
No?
No, not that I know of.
Okay. You didn't send it to someone else? Or to a guy that she was now talking to, or? No?
Hell no.
Okay. Because I'm not accusing you of anything myself. Okay, what she said happened is that she was talking to another guy. You found the video or saw something where she was talking to another guy, and then you took a video of you and her having sex and sent it to her new guy that she was talking to.
No.
No?
Hell no.
Okay.
It was a video of her having sex that I sent to her phone, and I sent her phone of me with another female.
Okay. So the only messages were between the two of you.
Yeah.
All right. What she had told us, or how this was portrayed to the police at least, was that during this altercation, you had covered her mouth or choked her to the point that she lost consciousness, and then at one point, after that, she started to regain consciousness, and you were doing CPR on her.
No.
And you know what CPR is,
Yeah,
right? Of course.
yeah.
Okay. So CPR is the only reason you do that if someone is, is not breathing and doesn't have blood flow.
Wow.
Okay. I mean, was there anything that you did that could have been
Only thing
portrayed
I did
as
was,
that, or maybe even if she was drunk, like why she would see that happening, or?
She was lying, bro.
Okay.
That's all it is.
Were you ever like on top of her, like pressing on her chest or anything like that?
Nothing like that, bro.
Okay.
Nothing like that.
All right. So, do you think that was fabricated, or?
Yeah, that shit is fiction, bro. She's lying. I never did none of that, bro.
Okay.
On my kids, on all four of my kids, nothing like that. When I was holding her down, when the kids woke up, I was still holding her though, because I ain't know. So the kids was like, let her go, let her go, let her go. I'm like, I ain't doing nothing to y'all mama, bro. I'm just holding her as I was tweaking, you know what I'm saying? So she, let me go, let me go. I was still holding her though, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm like, you calm, because I know how she is, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
I'm like, is you calm? She, I'm calm, bitch, I'm calm. She let me the fuck go, I'm calm. So I finally let her go, like, all right, you all loud as shit, I'm on, you loud as hell, all right.
Alright, man. Let me get you unbuckled. Watch your head, man. Alright, we're gonna walk around here to the left. Alright, man, have a seat. They should be down here pretty quick.